steel against nature. Watch in awe as these mechanical marvels navigate challenging landscapes and showcase their remarkable capabilities. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. Let's witness their mastery.
All right, assess the situation. That hanging tree presents a clear and present danger. Our objective: eliminate the threat with minimal risk. Notice how he analyzes the lean, calculates the fall line, and controls the descent. This is a calculated operation, not a game of chance. Unless you possess the necessary expertise, I strongly advise against attempting this maneuver.
Take some one.
While our neighbors exude a certain affability, their behaviors often elicit a degree of, shall we say, disquiet within us.
This is happening. If that happens, this kid's gonna get hurt. Oh, big time. Oh, like that. Oh, shit.
You okay?
All right.
This load carries a staggering 85 tons of timber, folks. Navigating this steep, unpaved road with such a heavy load requires exceptional skill and precision. The margin for error is minimal. These drivers are incredibly skilled and brave.
Hello, Mr. George.
Well, even for an expert, you still need a bit of luck when working with trees.
How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money.
Though he uses simple equipment and gets good results, I think this guy's way too reckless. Just imagine if that wire snaps. The consequences would be uncontrollable.
And that's a win.
Imagine this: a crisp autumn day, the smell of wood smoke in the air, and you effortlessly splitting logs with a split force 1320 tons. Its powerful 26.5-ton splitting force makes quick work of any wood, while the smooth hydraulics and fast cycle time let you relax and enjoy the process. Feel the satisfaction of building a towering woodpile, knowing you have the perfect tool for the job.
Medium to large size, right out of the log pile. Size splits, but I've been making just under 20 minutes for a face cord, so about a full cord per hour.
Whoa, this is like straight out of an old movie. Snow-covered logs, old school equipment. This takes me right back to my childhood, visiting my uncle's sawmill. Anyone else have a similar memory? This Komatsu 931XC is a game changer. Paired with the C144 harvesting head, it's a powerhouse of efficiency. That 6-cylinder AGCO power diesel engine delivers 255 horses, enough to tackle any terrain. And check out that 180-degree rotating cabin crane. Smooth operation, even on the toughest jobs. The C144 head, built tough to minimize tree damage and maximize yield. This machine is a real workhorse.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da. Hope I get away with it. Oh.
These truckers are practically superheroes. I mean, talk about skill. Navigating those behemoths through treacherous conditions, it's like a real-life obstacle course. The precision and awareness required is off the charts. Truly remarkable. Wood eating without end. That's exactly what you're gonna see. This isn't just wood chipping, this is an art form. Witness the ultimate display of precision engineering and raw power. I'm not entirely sure what it was they were expecting with that setup. Transporting these behemoths is a precise operation. It demands an intimate understanding of the vehicle, keen awareness of road conditions, and a deep respect for the logs. These drivers make it look effortless, but believe me, it's a high-stakes ballet. Every maneuver is a calculated risk, and every mile is a testament to their exceptional skill. Plan A, lift and haul the stump away, failed. Plan B, bring in the big guns. That SG-75 stump grinder made short work of this monster. Problem solved, homeowner happy. That's how they do it. The only thing this guy has going for him is his uncanny luck. Hey guys, you seeing this? I mean, come on, STIHL. This thing just eats it up. It's kind of crazy, right? Makes you really respect the power of these machines. I know what you're thinking. Debarking logs? How exciting can that be? But trust me, the Rosserhead debarker is a fascinating piece of machinery. It's like watching a ballet of precision and power. You can almost feel the energy as it strips away the bark, revealing the beauty hidden within. Well, the old saying about men being big kids? Absolutely spot on. It's just that their toys get a whole lot more sophisticated as they get older. And you know, if I had to pick a way to spend my day, this wouldn't be a bad choice at all. This locomotive is a classic example of a childhood fantasy come to life. Gotta admit, I'm a little jealous of those guys. Where can I find this tree that appears to be growing steel chainsaws? Wonder how many years before it produces good crop. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Isn't it thrilling to conquer a giant tree on your own? But remember, safety always comes first. No matter how exciting the moment, you need to prioritize your well-being over a fleeting thrill. Stay smart, stay safe,
This is what people do for fun in the outdoors.
Even seasoned tree felling experts know safety is paramount. One careless moment can lead to devastating consequences, both physically and financially.
That hit you hard, dude.
The Croco log splitter is a beast. It's built for tough jobs, and boy, does it deliver. This one stands out for its sheer power and efficiency. Whether you are preparing firewood or working on a larger project, the Croco doesn't disappoint. It's like watching a croc chomp down on wood. Powerful, smooth, and quick. You'll appreciate how much time and effort this thing saves. Adventure with a small buddy? Why not? In the heart of a busy sawmill, the Wirex CZP3 vertical bandsaw stands as the ultimate symbol of precision and efficiency. With its innovative design and powerful blades, this machine effortlessly converts rough logs into perfectly dimensioned lumber. Equipped with optional features like the chain conveyor and wide clamps, it offers versatility for handling both small and large diameters. Whether cutting on 2 saws for smaller logs or utilizing all 3 for larger ones, the CZP3 adapts seamlessly, making it an ideal choice for facilities that don't sort raw materials. Whoa, check out those massive logs being transported. They've got to weigh almost 100 tons, right? Even the strongest trucks can't handle those steep hills alone. Tractors to the rescue. Isn't this intense to watch? Got stump issues? Say goodbye to them with the Woodland Mills WG24PTO stump grinder. With its 24-inch grinding wheel and 34 tungsten carbide teeth, it grinds stumps up to 6 inches deep, making it ideal for landscaping, farming, or even construction projects. Plus, the quick hitch design and slip clutch PTO shaft make setup a breeze, especially for tractors ranging from 15 to 45 horsepower. If you're looking for efficiency and precision, this grinder delivers. Here we are, a skilled lumberjack, a steel chainsaw, and a massive cedar tree. The recipe for excitement. The crisp sound of the saw, the cracking of wood, and the moment the giant falls. Amazing. Wow, the truck seemed to glide over the terrain with perfect control, navigating the landscape as if it was part of the natural flow. Looking for a chipper that really gets the job done? The CBI Chip Max 484 is exactly what you need. It chips wood up to 50% faster than others, and it's perfect for making fuel chips or even microchips from big logs up to 24 inches wide. The best part? You can customize it to fit your needs. If you want something reliable and easy to use, this is it. Well, working with large trees always involves some risks. In this case, the chainsaw got stuck and the engine almost broke down. This emphasizes the importance of being careful and using the right equipment. Can you even picture yourself behind the wheel of a truck loaded with timber, climbing a steep hill? It's like a level out of a video game, but with way higher stakes. These drivers are total pros, taking on wild challenges and making it look easy. What do you think? Masterful skills at work. Who says machines lack soul? In the hands of a skilled operator, a forwarder seems almost alive, battling through mud with resilience and precision. It's a sight to behold. Wow, look at the incredible beauty inside that huge log. Every cut is like nature's brushstroke, showing off how perfect it is. I bet those wood pieces are worth a fortune. And who wouldn't want something made from such beautiful wood? Check out the ALKOLHS 6000. This vertical log splitter is a game changer. It can handle logs up to 1,050 centimeters, even those tough hardwoods. With just one action, it splits the logs into 4 pieces. It's super stable and safe thanks to its wide base. Plus, you can easily move it around because of the built-in wheels. And the best part? You can use it indoors without any emissions. ready for something cool. The Cambio 800 is like a supercharged blender, but for logs. It speeds through at 120 meters per minute and handles logs up to 795 millimeters wide. Pretty impressive, right? The carbide tools just cut through bark like it's nothing, and that 75 kilowatt motor keeps it all running perfectly. If you love woodworking, you've got to see this thing in action. If you need a tractor that stood the test of time, the Deutz-Fahr D800 is it. Since 1967, it's been a go-to for tough tasks, with forward speeds of 20 kilometers per hour and a reverse speed of 6 kilometers per hour, making it great for jobs like pulling stumps. The mechanical drum brakes ensure you've got control, even in challenging conditions. This machine is a testament to Deutz Cantabrica's long-standing dedication to quality. Nothing stops the Bieszczady 2009. The precision driving through thick mud showcases the perfect synergy between technical skill and raw machine power. It's a true testament to engineering and driving expertise. Holy cow, that was a close call. A leaning tree like that is a major hazard. It's essential to evaluate the risks before trying to take it down, and always use the right methods and tools. This could have ended much worse.
Marceleta! Puta merda! Desce, desce, desce! Meu Deus do céu, cara!
Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. Hauling timber is seriously tough and risky business. The world of saws is truly diverse and fascinating, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and especially don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next discoveries.
विहाड़ी फूड्स लाया आपके लिए खालस कैनोले का खाने वाला तेल। खेत से खाने तक हम पहुंचाते हैं आप तक 100% खालस गारंटी के साथ। तो देर किस बात की, अभी ऑर्डर करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए व्हाट्सएप बटन पर क्लिक करें, क्योंकि खालस खुराक ही सेहतमंद जिंदगी की जमानत है।